How to speed up slow internet in Android mobile by changing DNS server. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to speed up slow internet on Android by changing DNS server. Without further ado, let's get started. Navigate to settings. Select Wi-Fi. Tap your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down. Now look for the option of IP settings. Select it and you can easily change it from DHCP to static. Scroll down and here you can easily enter new DNS address. Here you can easily enter 8.8.8.8 in DNS1 and in DNS2 enter 8.8.4.4. These are Google's fast DNS servers. You can easily save the changes and reconnect it. Now you can use any speed test app to check the improvement. So that's it. You can enjoy faster internet connection with this. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.